ఇప్పుడు మనం కాంప్లెక్స్ నంబర్స్ క్లాస్ 11 లోంచి మనం కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూస్తాం. 5i టైమ్స్ -3/5i. సో ఇక్కడ రియల్ నెంబర్ 5, ఇటు -3/5 ఉంది. 5 -3/5 they get multiplied. This is 5. Okay, this is 5. 5 multiplied by, you get only -3. So this is -3. I times I is I square. I square is -1. -3 times -1 is +3. This plus 3 is the answer. Plus 3 can be written as 3 plus 0i, because he has asked us to write in a plus ib form. 3 plus 0i. Now going to second problem. I power 9 plus I power 9. We know that I square is, is -1. I square is -1. And I power 4 is 1. If you square it, you get 1. So I power 9 can be written as I power 4 power 2 times I. Okay? Change it. And I power 19 can be written as I power 4 power 4, I power 16 times I square, I power 18 times I power 19. So this is 1, whole thing is 1, this whole thing is 1. Here we get I, and here we get minus I. I minus 1i. I minus I is 0. 0 can be written as 0 plus 0i. This is the answer. 3. I power minus 39. I power minus 39 is 1 by I power 39. I power minus 39 is multiplicative inverse of I power 39. That you should note. I power minus 39 is 1 by I power 39. I power 39 equal to 1 by I power 4, 9, 36, plus 2, plus 1, 39. I power 4 whole power 9 times I square times I. We can write like this. This whole thing is 1. This whole thing is 1. So this is minus 1. So you get this minus I, right? Minus I. So you multiply numerator and denominator with I. I by minus I square. I by minus I square means minus of -1. That is plus 1. That's, you get answer I. I can be written as 0 plus I. Now let's go to the fourth problem. 3 times 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. Okay? So 7 3s are 21 and 7 3s are 21, 21i plus 7i minus 7. 7i, I square 7. I square means -1, that becomes -7. So 21 minus 7 is 14. 21 plus 7 is 28. So 14 plus 28, I is the answer. It is in the same form, A plus IB form. These are the 4 problems. We continue to do so in the next video, in the same video.